Welcome to Unit 12, Lesson 1. What objects are part of the solar system? We will go through this part of the movie. You should have your notes taken already on Lesson 1. You should be ready to have your notes open to add more of anything you missed on the notes. First thing in your book, I'd like you to add the solar system, planet, dwarf planet, asteroid, and comet. Please stop the presentation at any time to add any extra ones, or keep open your discussion questions. You should share those discussion questions with everybody in your group. Everybody should be able to write answers on those discussion questions. Please take the time to talk about them and then summarize what you talked about and put it on the discussion notes. Everybody's name should be on the top of those discussion notes so I know who was in your group and who had this discussion. As we've come to the planets, I'd like you to take some time and look up each planet individually. See if in your group you can find at least one new fact that I don't have on here. Something new you've learned about Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars as the inner planets. Now we're moving to the outer planets and look up Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, remember that moons are called satellites. Some kids are confused about that. A moon is another name for a satellite. Be able to compare the difference between the inner and outer planets. Moving on to flying objects, dwarf planets, poor little Pluto, asteroids, meteors, meteoroids, meteorites. Remember on the question, be sure you understand the difference between all three of these and when in the atmosphere or the solar system do they change names. Time to stop. You should stop the video. You should do your review or your sum it up and brain pages. When you get all of those done, please click back on. Let's read the questions to the group. Decide what the answers are, what you feel the answer should be. Add it to your discussion questions. There's a spot. Read each one carefully. Discuss it. Okay, this is our excuse me. This is our experiment we're going to do. We're going to do this as a whole team. So you can just skip over this part and be ready to move on to lesson 3.